This video has been created to teach you about the properties of an exponential and logarithmic function and the relationship between the two graphs. For a logarithmic function, where y equals to log ax, y is only defined when x is greater than 0. As can be seen in the picture on the left, the graph intersects the x-axis at the coordinates 1, 0. This is because when y equals to 0, log ax equals to a to the power of 0, and thus x equals to 1. The graph gets continuously closer to the y-axis but never touches it. In this case, the y-axis will be known as the asymptote. A particularly important example of a logarithmic function arises when a equals to e. You might recall that the value of e is approximately equal to 2.718. When a equals to e, the graph is known as a natural logarithmic function or a ln graph. As can be seen in the two pictures, when a is greater than 1, as the value of a increases, the curve becomes gentler. But when a is greater than 0 but smaller than 1, as the value of a increases, the curve becomes steeper. For exponential functions, where y is equal to a to the power of x, the graph intersects the y-axis at coordinates 0, 1. The reason for this is that when x is equal to 0, y equals to a to the power of 0. Any variable that's the power of 0 equals to 1, thus y equals to 1 when x equals to 0. Like logarithmic graphs, exponential graphs have asymptotes. An exponential graph continuously gets closer to the x-axis but never touches it. In this case, the x-axis is known as the asymptote. As you can see in the two above pictures, when a is greater than 1, as the value of a increases, the graph gets steeper. However, when a is greater than 0 but smaller than 1, the graph gets gentler as the value of a increases. It can be seen in this picture on the left that the exponential graph of y equals to e to the power of x is the reflection of the natural logarithmic function of y equals to ln x. The reason for this is because y equals to ln x is equal to x equals to e to the power of y. Interchanging the x and y values equates to the exponential function of y equals to e to the power of x. That is all for this video. Thank you for watching.